The new industrial age of American enterprise has forced the working class into a sad, lonely life of an outdoorophobic. This is Larry Tuckerman, an accountant, one of the many number pushers of the nation. Let's see if we can get his attention. Hey, you. Yes, you. Are you tired, overworked, underpaid, sad, itchy, stressed? Well then, Larry, I have a message for you. Have you tried getting outside? Ah, the outside, where there are wonders around every corner and air as fresh as can be. Just a vast expanse of untamed terrain in which every creature must abide by the survival of the fittest. And that means no cell service. You don't have to be an experienced outdoorsman to feel the call of the wild if you're willing to take a step out of your comfort zone. Uh-oh, watch you step out of your comfort zone there. Speaking of, looks like we've found some bounty already. Mother Nature provides everything we need to survive, like this thriving bush. Look at those lovely red berries. They look delicious, don't they? Too bad they're poisonous. This is one of Mother Nature's little tricks. What a trickster. The berries may have been a trick, but the wilderness provides in other ways, like this river. It's full of aquatic life, which will sustain even the hungriest of adventurers. What's that, a stapler? I guess knots aren't numbers. You can make all sorts of things with what you'd find in nature, like a tripod, a spire, maybe a coat rack. Oh, it's a shelter. Yikes, can't shelter your shame. That's it. Try again. What? Wait, what? Oh, it worked! The comforts of modern living are nothing compared to the satisfaction you get when you unplug. No, I said unplug! What's this? Morning coffee? Well, sure, but have you tried watching the sunrise and breathing that crisp morning air? Oh no, that's not your usual cup of joe. But don't be deterred. If we all work together, surely we can forage up some sides for that fish we caught earlier. Some people are better at hunting, some people are better at gathering, and some are better at hunting down financial discrepancies and gathering assets. Ah, the peaceful solitude of the outdoors. What a wonderful opportunity to contemplate the deeper meaning of things. Certainly not thinking about numbers here, especially not the numbers you crunched over hundreds of hours of overtime, believing that this would put you ahead in the promotion line and that you would finally see the name Larry Tuckerman, CPA, on that fancy gold nameplate in the corner office. All those late nights, skipped lunches and canceled plans only to see Brett promoted instead of you. Brett. He has a prettier wife than you, too. And you're fairly sure she hasn't gifted him a pair of tube socks every year for Christmas and forgot his birthday? But no reason to think of that. No need to think about that out here in the wild where nothing bad ever happened to you. You in the woods. The cold, dark, empty woods. No one around, no one to notice you, no one to hear you scream. In the wilds, you're totally, fully, and completely alone. Nothing warms you up like a fire. And it looks like we're having a little trouble getting that fire started. I bet you missed that warm office now. Well, Larry, have you been enjoying your time outside? Let's review some of the fulfilling activities of today. We found food, we used the tools around us, we bonded over shared trauma. Oh shit, it's an Arctic Yeti behind you! Larry, oh god, duck and dodge, oh no. Hey you. Yeah, you. Are you concerned with your financial long-term success? Are you tired of living in the woods? Well then I've got a message for you. Have you tried accounting?